Hi, good afternoon. My name is Tani. I'm the Recruitment Director of Triunity Talent Sourcing and Human Resource Management Services. So basically, we're an executive search firm. And 20% of our solutions is actually focused on providing employee counseling. But 80% of my business is focused on delivering recruitment services to our clients. So we have two recruitment services. One is contingent searches, and the other one is recruitment process outsource. We have been using Foundit for quite some time. I think we started using it November of 2022, and until now we're still using it. And I'm very thankful that Foundit or Rish has extended a very good package for me for 2024. So I have made sure that I acquired that type of package. Kudos to Rish for making sure that I am aware of that promo. What I really appreciate about Rish is that he's a type of an account manager who would regularly ping you, would regularly reach out to his clients to make sure that their clients are okay in terms of using the platform. When I needed a refresher course, he immediately connected me to Anshita. And for like after a couple of days, I already have a training schedule for my team, which I really do appreciate. And the good thing about Anshita is that she makes sure that she adjusted her schedule according to the convenience of her clients. So I really do appreciate that. And as a trainer, Anshita is very good. She's very detail oriented. And the good thing about her is that you won't hesitate to ask questions because she's the type of trainer who would accommodate any questions. That's the good thing about her. And that outside the topic of Monster, outside the topic of the platform itself, she also knows what's going on in the talent market world, within her own country and globally. So that's what I really like about it, because I also wanted to, as a client located here in the Philippines, I also wanted to know what's going on in the talent landscape, or what's going on with the talent market in the other countries, right? So that's the good thing about Rish and Anshita. They are also aware of the talent landscape outside their own countries. As a trainer, Anshita is, well, aside from very accommodating with questions, she makes sure that before proceeding to another topic, she makes sure that her trainees do not have any confusion about what was discussed. So she makes sure that everything is clear. And the good thing about her is that even outside training, she would like to keep on helping us use or utilize the platform and maximize its usage, to make sure that, of course, the productivity will increase. She even got our Viber number so that we can easily just communicate with her if ever we do have any question about the platform. So which is very, very appreciated, especially that my team are mostly newly graduates. These are the type of recruiters who never had any background or experience using different platforms. But I'm really happy that I have provided them with Monster.com or Foundit, because it's a powerful and globally competitive platform. And I'm really happy that they themselves witness how good the customer service of Monster. You guys have provided me with a globally competitive service, very premium service, and I really do appreciate that. And what I really love about Rish and Anshita is that they are acting as a business partners. So I can see them as my business partner in the industry. So kudos to both of you. Thank you so much.